Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You are watching Learn Programming by Lakisar YouTube channel. In this video, I am sharing the best Spring Framework books for Java developers. Spring Framework is one of the most popular framework in Java world, which is used to develop Java applications, both core Java and web applications. It is also one of the most job-oriented skills for Java developers. Now let us see one by one. The first book is Spring in Action. This book will teach you everything about Spring Core and Spring MVC to you. You will learn fundamentals and principles of Spring Framework. For example, dependency injection and inversion of controller, wiring beans, aspect-oriented programming in Spring. You will also learn Spring MVC. For example, developing Java web application using Spring MVC, rendering web views, advanced Spring MVC, working with Spring Flow, and how to secure web application. It also covers Spring support for JDBC, messaging, remote method invocation, sending emails using Spring, WebSocket, JMX, and how you can simply Spring development with Spring Boot. This book was developed by Craig Walls, is one of the project lead in Spring Special Project. So next book is Spring Boot in Action. So this is another great book by Craig Walls which will help you to learn Spring Framework faster. So this book will guide you on writing Java application using Spring Boot. It will teach you how to avoid tedious configuration to focus more on application development rather than dealing with framework nuisance. This book will also teach you testing with Spring Boot, which is a very important concept. The next book is Spring Security Essential. If you are a Java developer who is familiar with Spring and you are looking to explore its security features, then this book is for you. All beginners and experienced Java developers will benefit from this Spring Security Essential since it explores both the theory and practical uses in detail. Good knowledge of security also gives you an edge when you go for the job interview. So I highly recommend to improve your knowledge and understanding of web security and how to implement those using Spring Security Framework in Java. So that's all about some of the Spring uh, framework books for Java developers. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share to your friends and also give comments. Thank you for visit. Have a nice day.